Are you having trouble charging your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. And if you're experiencing any problem while you're charging your iPhone, like you're getting different pop-ups and your iPhone not charging at all, then here in this video I'll show you some of the easy ways of how you can fix the problem. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Well, so now to fix the problem, before you do anything, make sure to check out your charging adapters and cables, because sometimes if it's faulty, then it may prevent your iPhone from charging. And make sure it's alright, and also you can try charging your iPhone with a different charger if you have one. And after checking out this, if you found that the problem is actually from your iPhone, then all you can do, you can go ahead and take a soft brush and gently clean your charging port. Because sometimes the dust and debris can stock in the charging port of your iPhone and it may prevent your iPhone from charging. You can clean that out and see if that fixes your problem or not. And once you do that, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But let's say you did everything but you're still having the problem, then check out these quick settings. Open up this settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on battery, and then scroll down a little bit from here and tap on battery health and charging. And from here, make sure you have enabled the optimized battery charging from here, and also enable clean energy charging. And once you do that, just get back from here and restart your iPhone. You can tap on this virtual home button, device, more, and restart, and tap on restart in order to restart your iPhone. And also you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. And once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But if in any case, if you find that you're still having the problem, then here's the last and final process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings once again and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update available, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS. But if you don't find an update, just get back from here and then scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and tap reset all settings, and then put your iPhone passcode, and then simply go and tap on reset all settings. But make sure this will reset all of your settings and it'll get back to the default. And once you do that, most likely the problem is going to be solved and your iPhone will start charging. But if none of these steps works for you, then it could be a hardware issue. In case, you can contact Apple support for further assistance. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.